into a Kurtis business, boutique you want to start, you want to invest in financially, you can take a profit easily on this collections. I'm your Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. And I've come back with new collections. The festival season has started and everyone having a dream to start a clothing business, women apparels, where the business gives many profit till 365 days. The clothing business is a demand. So today I'm going to show you very stylish and collections for the college girls and the youngsters. Please watch this video, subscribe the channel, and there's a bell icon over there. Just click it. You can do 24/7 online shopping. You can directly tie up with Kesaria Manufacturers. Friends, as I said, I'm going to show you the stylish varieties. If I talk about this collection, this is from Kurti segment, such a beautiful top and bottom varieties of Kurti bottom variety, which is a stylish two-piece concept. So these are the collections of exclusive varieties. Retailers, if you're into a Kurtis business, boutique you want to start, you want to invest in financially, you can take a profit easily on these collections because the demand at the market is for the youngsters, college girls, everyone looking for new varieties, right? So this unique varieties of Western look stylish collections of two-piece, which starts from 250 to 350 rupees from Kesaria Manufacturers. So let's see the samples. If you really liked it, quickly place an order, enjoy your business, and quickly these collections are very fast-moving collections. So the products I'm going to show you, the first sample if I'm talking about, these are the samples of two-piece. The orange with the pink color and the shade of multicolor with the batik print is very trending. This print has come from the sari, then bandhani dupattas, then varieties of chudidar. Now it has come in the two-piece concept of boutique pattern varieties. And if I talk about the next piece concept, this is the collection of floral base printed of maroon color, which is maroon color with the printed of collar shirt pattern. And this is the variety of top and bottom. So this is also a beautiful concept. So this is the pattern, it looks like this. So every new unique varieties from rayon fabric, chiffon, satin and georgette and the cotton based imported fabrics you can buy from Kesaria Manufacturers. If you're looking for a designer kurti bottom, we do have a stylish of dark purple, or I can say the dark brinjal color, which is a stylish of three color concept of designer sequence work of the thread work as well as the satin bottom. So this is the top and this is the bottom. So such exclusive varieties of top and bottom. This is the one more pattern. So in this also you have all sizes varieties, and these collections are heavy demand at the market, entire pan India as well as international clients also. They take these collections which as a manufacturer is giving you, and always directly deal with a manufacturer when you are interested to start a clothing business. And you can start your boutique, you can have a showroom, and you can display every day a product on the mannequin at your shop. You can display and marketing activities you can do in your social media platform. If you're really having a brand, such exclusive collections are fast moving varieties and a profitable business. And next collections, this is a one more pattern. So such beautiful multicolor shade of plazo pattern, shirt pattern. This is also a one more pattern variety of kurti and bottom. So all are stylish, which gives a Western look trendy varieties. And next coming to the variety of light pista mehndi color shade. This is also a shirt pattern. So this is a variety. So this is a shirt. This is also a beautiful pattern variety. So this is a shirt and this is a bottom. This is a plazo pattern. So all these varieties are heavy demanded. So this also from the Laria pattern with the light pastel color. So this is also one of the pattern. So this is, you can also buy from Kesaria Manufacturers every color chart where size is from small to XXL you can find out. So one more print of the bold floral printed of the onion shade with the baby pink color. So this is also one more pattern. So you will find out the stylish trending variety of top and bottom, which gives a gown pattern the look. And this is also a full sleeves. And this is also the digital printed of the floral, and the golden brownish and the golden shade has been outlined. All these varieties having a zipper package where you will find out the photocopy of the every pattern. You will find out the 4 individual photocopies for every color chart. So no need to worry about the quality, no need to worry about the product, no need to worry about the service, how I will receive my goods, how the transportation and shipping will be. Entire pan India, we are providing you within 7 to 8 days. Sitting from your end, when you're placing an order, there is options of COD, there is options of net banking services. Pan India will receive 7 to 8 days, and international services, we are providing you sea service and the cargo services. There's a number on the screen where you can do directly live video calling purchase, and you can do purchase 24/7. Our shop is located at Surat city, which is located at India, Gujarat state. So Surat is one of the biggest city which is identified for the diamond manufacturers. You may heard about it. And Surat is also one of the textile hub market, where when you visit on your vacation, especially from Canada, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Los Angeles, you people, when you come to India, please visit Surat once. You will come to know how the manufacturers are getting manufactures, where varieties of collections, whether saris, designer, langas, regular kurtis, chudidar materials, kids collections, handlooms, and number of collections you can buy. So Kesaria manufactures, where you're providing kurtis which starts from only 49 to 50 rupees. If I talk about two-piece concept, which starts 250 to 300, and three-piece concept of top, bottom, dupatta, which starts 300 to 350 rupees, you can buy. And the highest price range, if I talk about fancy boutique party wear, 2000 to 2500, all varieties you can purchase. Retailers, if you want to invest on something, you can invest on clothing business. This is a business where everyone is looking for new varieties every day. And market is getting, textile market is also manufacturing new concept varieties. So this boutique varieties of two-piece concept, if you really liked it, place an order before getting out of stock. The festival season has come. To start and tie up directly Kesaria manufacturers, you can come by airport also, you can buy railway station also. You have a smooth communication. We do have an online team, we do have an offline team, no need to worry. So you can easily purchase and you can start your clothing business. So let me know how the collections was at the comment box, and what kind of collections you are looking for. Let me know, and subscribe the channel if you're looking for regular updates for the product updates. So there's a bell icon here, just click it. Please support. Next video I'll come up with many more new collections. Till then, take care. Bye bye.